Hello, hi everybody. It is day 41 of studying my. It is day 41 of studying math in every day, and today I'm about to do 2 sessions, maybe more than that, but like at minimum I have to do 2 sessions. So today I won't be studying anything new, but like all I will do is to do the practice problems. So I'm gonna do the practice problems, so I don't know like how many days it will take me. But like I hope I can finish it maybe like at maximum 3 days, not more than that. Okay. And so yeah, let's just stop yapping and let's start studying. So first I'm about to open the workbook, I guess. So I hope it will be beautiful day, to be honest. Like I'm kinda like a little bit scared of the problems, but I hope I will see some easy ones, not complicated ones. So yeah. Chapter 1. I didn't need the whole thing though. I made a mistake. I don't need the whole thing. Formula sheet workbooks. This is the one. By the way. Solve the system of equations using any method. So I'm about to use what? Let me use elimination. So we're gonna multiply this side is by what? Gonna multiply by 1/2. Also, it should be negative also. And then we will get like 1/2 dt negative 1/2 dt equals to negative 1/2 xt negative positive 3, I mean. So we got positive dt right here, and then this and this, they will cancel. They will cancel. So 3 and 2. Okay, and we got dt equals to 4, nope, 7. Okay, so dt equals to 7. So now It's equals to 7. So 7 equals to xt negative 3. So bring this to the left side. So it is negative xt positive 7 equals to, is this negative 3? Yeah, negative 3. So negative xt equals to negative, also negative 7. So it will be negative 10 xt minus 1 and minus 1, or negative 1 in other words. So xt equals to positive 10. So let me check if this is right then. Let's check. So it is dt equals to xt negative 3. So this means right here is 7 equals to 10 negative 3, which 7 equals to 7. So I'm right on this then. Yeah, I'm right. Glad. Okay, so let's go to the, but like this problem scared the hell out of me, I swear to God. But yeah, you have to be calm, okay? We are already at the beginning, you know? So yeah, so what is this one? So for a x at the end, okay, dude, that's a little bit crazy, man. It's just, you feel me? X negative b y equals to 15, and then y equals to negative 5 a x. By the way, should we use like elimination or substitution? Okay, we're gonna use substitution because like by is already solved. So what we're gonna say is this. Duplicate, put it right here. Okay, so it is for a x negative y negative by which is 12 negative 5a x. So that means it is is for ax negative 12 positive 5ax, and then add these two, it is 9, I believe. It's a little bit crazy, feel me? Okay, I forgot this. A equals to 15. Okay, so move this to the left side. So it will be positive, that's crazy. So 15 and 12. This is just like 7, 2. Okay, so add these two, it is 9. 9ax equals to 27. Divide this by 9 and this by 9. So $27. I think it is 9 times 3 or something, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, times 9, it's 3. Okay, so it is a x equals to 3. It's 3. So we got the value of ax. So let's use this. So yeah, here is it. So this is the value of by. I don't need to write this, I believe, so okay, so let's test it. What should I use? Let me use this. So this is for ax, which is 3, negative by, which is negative 3, equals to 15. So 4 times 3 is literally 12. Positive minus and minus will be positive, so it will be positive 3 and 15. So this is literally 15 and 15. So I'm right on this one too. So I solved these two. So what about this one? Okay, I see this one. Okay, you know what would be cool? It would be cool if I would skip this one, because like this one is just same as this one, and instead solve this one. So this one is a lot different than this one. So now I don't know what I will do, but like, yes, I'm about to solve this one. and I'm gonna solve one of these three. So now let's do it. I cannot do it, so let me do this. So split screen. So this is the third one. Problem number 3. So yeah. So it is 2t x plus 5t y equals to 120.28. So right here we have t and like little small y equals to 17 t x positive 17.2. So let me check one more time. 2tx plus 50y equals to 120.8. ty equals to 17tx plus 17.2. Okay. This is tough, not that easy. Okay, so what I first need to do is to multiply, basically to get rid of the decimal, you know. So I'm gonna, okay, 1 2 3. Okay, I'm gonna like multiply 1000 on this side, I believe, and I'm gonna multiply 100 on this side. That's what it is. Looks like the point is in where? Yeah, it is in the ones place, tens place, 100s place, 1000s place. So that's what I said. I'm gonna multiply this by 1000, man, and this side by 100. So I'm about to use a calculator. Oops. And damage. Oh, it's 1000 times 2, which is 2000 tx plus 5000 ty 5000 ty equals to 120.8 times 1000. It's 120 and 800. Okay, the numbers are big. I ain't gonna lie, man. Numbers are way too big. Feel me? Oh yeah, that is what it is. So at the bottom will be 100 ty. Okay, 17 tx. It is is it gonna be like 17,000? I don't know. 17 times 100. It is okay. It is 1,700. 8700 tx equals to okay, 17 like 100 times 17.2 172, I believe. No, what? Okay, 17.2 times 100. What? Okay, 8720 plus 1720. What the heck? Okay, now should I use like what should I use? What method do I use? Or like am I gonna use okay, there is two things that that I'm thinking about. The first one is should I first to get rid of the decimals and then like solve the system of equations, or do I first solve the system and then use and then get rid of the decimals and make them like whole numbers? Should like yeah, this is what is my mind now. Okay, so but by the way, let me check. Okay, this is how I can know if there is like things those can cancel maybe. UI and 2y, 2x and 2x. I'm stuck, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay, just do something. I'm gonna solve for this one and then substitute. Like, gonna use substitution method. So that's what I will do. So now let me lasso this side. Okay. Okay. By the way, divide this side by 10, by 100 I mean, and the whole thing by 100 also. So I got ty over here equals to, okay, 1700 divided by 100, it is 17 tx plus 1720 divided by 100. Okay, see, okay, it's gonna go back to the old version, I guess. It is 17 times 12. Yeah, man, it doesn't make sense. Okay, first you have to, you know, solve the linear equation. Okay, using by the two methods, elimination and you know, substitution method. So now I'm going to use that. So yeah, so now let me so and then 2tx plus 5 ty equals to 17 tx plus 17 into what is to 128. So now it is 2. Oh guys, I don't need to use these lines. Okay, now I don't know how to change them. Okay, these lines are not good at all. Shouldn't have like use it. To be honest, yeah, I don't like them at all. So by the way, okay, 2tx plus 5 times 7, it is 35. Okay, 5 times 17 is 85tx. 85tx 5 times 17.2 17.2 which is 86 plus 36 equals to 120.8. Okay, add this two, it's 90. So funny. 90 tx equals to this one should go to the other side. 120.8 negative 86. So 90 tx equals to, okay, so 120.8 negative 86 or 86, it is 34.8. 34.8. So this is a little bit weird. Okay, so this was 85, right? So it is 85, so plus 2, and then it is 80 something, 87. It will be 87. tx both sides. This is crazy, man. Like on like this literally crazy. 34.8. ATX equals to 0.4. Am I lost? I don't know, to be honest. Oh, still. X, which is 0.4 plus 17.2, which is 24 right here. Equals to 17 times 4, 6.8 plus 17.2. 0.8 is 28 plus 17.2, which is 24. Okay, 24. Okay, this is kind of right, you know, but like I'll see if it's right or not. Later. You feel me? So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna solve one of these two. One of these three, I mean. 1, 2, 3. So okay, let me try maybe this one. So this is 2x1 plus 3y. Okay, I'm gonna learn how to write y in that way. So are you gonna do this? Nah. So how? It's just like this. Nah. I'm gonna do it like the old way. That's how I do it. So right here I got x. Nope. x2 equals to 4x1, then x2 plus y2 equals to 9. Okay, y2 equals to y1 plus 2. I guess. Kind of like forget how they used to do it, but yeah, I'm good, I believe. Okay, I got oh, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna say x2 plus y2 equals to 9, x2, which is 4x1 positive y1 plus 2 equals to 9. So now it's time to get the x1, I believe, or the y1, one of those two. So I'm gonna move to the other side, and this one to the other side too. So 4x equals to 7 negative y1. Okay, so divide this side by 4, that means x1 equals to 7 negative y1 divided by 4. Okay, I got the x1 then. About the y1. Okay, plug it in right there. So 2x1 plus 1. So 2x1 is 7 negative y1 positive. That's crazy. 3y 1 equals to normal 1. So okay, 12 y1 and 4, not that bad. So this is already 7 negative positive 11 y1 equals to 4. Nope. Hello. So this is should go to the other side. Negative 7. It will be negative 3 if I'm not mistaken. So 4. Okay, 4 negative 7 is negative 3. Negative y1 equals to 3, 11. Let's try to get the x1 again using by this value. We're gonna say x1 equals to 7. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit weird because like there's already another fraction right there. You feel me? Am I making a mistake or something? That's y2 and x2. Okay. Okay, I think this is good. Wait up, guys. I'm gonna. Okay. I'm gonna get the y first. That's what I will do. So it will be y1 equals to, goes to the other side. It will be negative 4x. Okay, positive 7. Plus y1, it is 3 negative 4x 1 plus 7 equals to 1. So this is 2x1 minus 12x1 plus 21 equals to 1. This is negative 10x1 equals to the other side 1 negative 21. So it's just 20. Okay, negative 10x1 equals to negative 20. Negative 10 on this side. Negative 10 on this side. X equals to 2, I believe. Okay, positive 2. So I got the x1. All I need is just like to move this a bit onto this side and add the one right there. Okay, so I got the x1. So it is time to get the y1. So but before that, wait up. Guys, I'm just like, I'm not gonna take a break now, like I'm gonna go to the masjid. I'm gonna go to the, you know, to the prayer. So I'm about to pray. So before that time comes, before the prayer time comes, I'm about to keep studying. Okay, and then I will pause the timer when I go out. That's what I will do. So yeah, let's continue. So I got the x1 right. So let me. I got the x1 and I got the y1. And nope, it's not like that. So it is 2x1 plus 3y1 equals to 1. So 2 so this is 4 positive 3y1 equals to 1. So 3y1 equals to, it will be like negative, so it will be negative 3. So 3 on this side and 3 on this side. It will be y1 equals to negative 1. Okay, so let's check if this is right or wrong. So it is 2x1 plus 3y1 equals to 1. So 2 times 2 plus 3 negative 1 1. So this is 4, this is negative 3, and then is 1, and this is 1. So I'm literally right on this. So I think all I need to find is these two missing variables. I don't know, but maybe let me try this one. So I got the y1 and x1. So let me get the y2. So it is y2 equals to y1 plus 2. y1 equals to negative 1 plus 2, which is 1. So y1 equals to 1. What about the What about x2? So if an x2 equals to 4x1, it is 4 and x1 is 2. So this is 8. Oh, okay, enough's enough then. I got it now. That's it. Okay, x2 and y2 is it 9? Let me check it. Yes, it's 9. So x2 plus y2 equals to 9, and then x2, which is 8, plus 1 equals to 9. 9 equals to 9. Okay, and that's so good. What else? I don't know. So this is what I'm about to do. I'm gonna start it x1 equals to, where's x1? X1 equals to 2, and x2 equals to 8. Okay, y1 equals to 1, while y2 equals to okay, this is -1 and this is 1. Solve it. Solve it, babe. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this section right here, and it is time to check my answers. So we go back. So the fairest one. The fairest one. Let's see the fairest one. Is DT7 and XT10? I hope it is. Is D10? Is XT10? Yes, it is. What about DT7? It is. It is, babe. Okay. So. Okay, right. What about the second problem? Okay, what is by minus 3? Is by minus 3? Okay, it is. And is ax3? Yes, it is 2. So ax3 and by minus 3. So problem solved. So, okay, what about the third problem? Okay, this is a little bit weird. Is t equals 0.4? Yes, it is 0.4. Okay, is ty 24? Yes, it is. Then substitute. Simple as that. I'm right on this one too. Okay, what about this one? Let me check these values. Am I like, okay, this is the fifth problem, the one that I was working with. So x1 and y1. Okay, x1 to y1 minus, okay, x1 to y1 minus 1. Okay, x2 8 and y2 x2 8 and y2 positive 1. So I'm right on this one too. Okay, this one is already solved. So yeah. Okay, uniform motion problems. So let's check this one too. Okay. Yeah, Caitlin is driving at a constant rate of 55 miles per hour on the highway. 1 hour later, her friend Charlotte starts from the same point and drives at a constant rate of 65 miles per hour. How many hours will each woman need to travel before blah blah blah? Okay, Charlotte catches Keith. At that point, how far have each of them traveled? Dude, I'm feeling fatigue. The lights bother me too. Feel me? Maybe I'm about to, maybe I'm about to go and pray and just chill a few minutes and then come back. So before that, I will post this. I will post the timer, and I will post the whole recording. I'm gonna post it too. So see you. I'm gonna come back. Hello, I come back. Okay, so I'm gonna continue where I left off, but the problem is this lamp, this little bit bothering me, and I cannot study. So yeah, my eyes are hurting literally, swear to God, and they are way too dry just because of this light. So I don't care the quality of the camera, how it will look like, but basically I'm gonna just point it upwards. So yeah, maybe good enough, I don't know, maybe like this, maybe like that. But yeah, it is what it is, man. I'm gonna do it this way. So, and also kind of feeling like, there's a lot of stuff going on in my mind. Like, I believe like I'm feeling like my brain is like a little bit overcrowded. I don't know, too many thoughts in it. So I'm gonna do maybe 5 minutes of meditation, and I'm gonna try my best to, to meditate. Okay, so is this like 5 hours or something? Is it 5 minutes? It's 5 minutes. So yeah. So let's continue now. Now we have Kai. We're gonna call Kai, okay? Caitlin. I don't know how to pronounce the name, so just like gonna say Kai. So the distance is unknown, and also the rate is what, 55 miles. 55 miles per hour. Also, the time I took her, it's just like TK. So for somehow we should use subscripts. So the distance T, distance K, and RK is what? We don't know the time too. Okay, it's driving at a constant of 55 on the highway. So we don't know this one too. So who is the other person? Char. So let's call her Char also. Okay, so we don't know the DC, Daniel Corriger. DC, the legend. So DC, we're gonna call her like it is Charlo or something. Charlotte, I don't know. So DC, which is like the distance of Charlotte, is just unknown, same as this one. The rate is RC equals to, okay, her friend Charlie starts from the same point and drives at a constant rate of 65 miles per hour. It is 65. You guys, why the music's a little bit, I think it's a little bit loud. So it was a little bit loud per hour. So the time is equals to the time of Kai, like less than an hour. So it is T K minus 1. That's what we have now. So they used to use some type of a right up rest. Gonna do this. Okay, so right there. So now what if I try to get the rate of Kai's nap? Dude, I forget the formula. It was something like blah blah equals to blah blah, I think. So yes, I think I kinda know it. So D equals to rate and T just the time. Okay, so what we are about to do is this. So R, K, and R, and then TK equals to is RC, and what? And then TC. So now RK is 55 miles per hour, 55 miles per hour, and the TK is right there. So RC is 65, and then the T is what? It is TK minus 1. Feel me? TK minus 1. So this one should go to the other side. Is that how it is? Then should go to the other side. Okay. So 5 TK negative 6 5 TK negative 1 equals to negative 1. So this is negative 10 TK equals to negative 1, negative 10, and negative 10, which is negative 10. They will cancel, so yeah. Is this something which is reasonable? I don't think so. Okay, so I forgot one thing, something which is so important. Okay, so $65 and what? TK minus TK negative 1, which is 65 TK negative 65. So this one should go to the other side. So it will be negative 10 tk equals to negative 65. Negative 10. Negative 10. Okay. So it is 10, 6.5. So tk equals to 6.5. What does 6.5 mean then? Oh, okay. So I don't have to scare off it. So it is 6.5. Okay. So now so this is then so now. Okay, what else? What do I need? I don't know. I'm just like, yeah. Let me get the. Okay. Get the distance. Okay. So dk is equals to r k and then tk, which is rk times 65. So leave it as it is. 6. What is this fly doing? Hell no. Okay. 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 It is 5 times 6.5. 5 times 6.5. 357.5 miles. Okay. So let's see if the miles are the same. Okay. So the distance is always the same. So 357.5 m. So let me get the distance for this one too. So DC equals to RC and then TC. Okay, so this one equals to RT which is 6, 5. And then okay, the t is pk, which is 6.5 negative 1. So this is 6.5 times 6.5 422.5 negative 6.5. Okay, negative 6.5, which is 357.5. So I got the same distance. Okay. So let me get the time of this person. So it is all about what? 6.5 negative 1, which is 5.5 something, right? Took him less time. So what were they asking at this point? How far each of them traveled? They traveled 357.5 miles. That's what I will say. So they traveled 357.5 miles. Okay, so let's go to this next problem. Okay, so we got Sam and John. So Sam. So the D equals to what? Sam is, we don't have that. Okay, we got the rate, which is 4 miles per hour. And what about the T? Do we have it? No, we don't. So what about John? Walk it 5. Oh my gosh, okay. Hey, John, walk it 5 miles. So he don't have the D2 same bus. So let me read the problem. Okay, Sam walked 4 miles per hour from the bus stop to the school. John walked 5 miles per hour from the same bus stop to the school, and it took him 1 hour. I think that's what it is. That's what it says. And it took him 1 hour. And it took him 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour to get there. 1 hour. Dude, I cannot write like space. That's the problem. Hour. So this is what I will do right up. And it took him 1 hour to get there. So the rate is what? 5 miles per hour. And the time it took him is just 1 hour. So how long did it take Sam to get to the school? So we're gonna get the time. So let's get the distance. So because like the distance just like the same, because like it is already uniform motion, right? It is already a uniform motion. That's what it is. Okay. How long did it take Sam to get the school? So let's get the distance. It's like the distance. Okay, so yeah, fine. So D equals to R T. So that means R, which is 5, 1. It is 5 miles. So this is 5 miles. And let's get the DR T. We're gonna get the T. So divide both sides by R. They will cancel. So T equals to D divided by R. So T equals to the D is just like 5. R is 4. What the heck? R is 4. Go back and check this one, man. It is equals to, okay, R, which is 5 and 1. How about this one? 5 and 4. Okay. Okay. So T equals to 1.25. So 1.252 hours. Still like an hour and 25 minutes. Is that what it is? So yeah, let's say that it took him like an hour and 25 minutes. So let me check if this is right. So gonna try to get the D or somehow. So D equals to RT. So the R is 4 and the T is 1, 2. So we need the distance to be 5 miles. So 4 times 1.25 is equals to 4. So 5 miles, dude. I'm right on this too. Maybe I'm about to solve one more problem. Oh. And I'm kind of like feeling fatigued, man. I don't know. I'm not feeling good, to be honest. Oh yeah. Okay, this problem is same as this one. Because I'm about to do one of these. Basically, I will be doing this one. This one is just so simple, I believe. So what about this one? Because like all you need is you already have the Talon. I don't know the name. Talon. You already have Talon's rate, which is 10 miles per hour, and you also got the time, right? Which is like an hour and 18 minutes. Just like change this, convert this hour to minutes, so it will be something like maybe 78 minutes. And then you're gonna get the distance out of these two values. So the distance is always the same. You already have like Emily's rate, and the distance that you calculated from Talon is like rate and blah blah, and rate and time, and then that's how you're gonna get the like Emily's time for sure. And you already got the how long, and that's how you're gonna get the miles too. So yeah, this is way too simple. I don't know. Other than maybe let me do this. Who knows? Maybe let me do this real quick. So okay, just wrap it up. This section, the whole section. You feel me? This number 4. 1 to 4. So we got Emily, Talan. We got Talan first. So Talan and Emily participate in a race together. So Talan runs 10 miles per hour and finishes blah blah before Emily does. So the rate of Talan is what? It's 10 miles. 10 miles per hour. Okay, what about the time? It is 60 plus 18, which is 78. So it is 78 minutes. Okay, so what about the distance? We don't know. So to get the distance, it is R times T, which is 10. Oh my gosh, I'm literally feeling a headache. So 78 SWAT so don't know how I'm gonna do that, man. So this will be like 10 times 78. Now we're not gonna say this 780 miles. We cannot say that. So what it will be is 10 times. Okay, we're gonna say 1.25. That's what we're gonna do. 1.2. It is what? 1/18. It is 18 minutes. Okay, so it is 1.8. Like 18 miles. Let me check, guys. Where's the AI? No AI. No AI showed up. Not exactly. Okay. So it is 1 hour and 23. The message is like 0.18. But minutes must be, but like what up? It comes from 80 minutes as 0.18, but minutes must be converted probably into fraction. So 6 blah blah. What it is? Add the how to it's 60. It makes sense. 1.3. So 10 times 1.3 is 13. So it's 13 miles per hour. Okay. So the distance is 13 miles per hour. The time is 1:23 hour. So what about this girl, Emily? It's like if Emily, so the R is 10 miles. Not 10 miles to be honest. The R is 5 miles per hour. Okay. And the distance is 13 miles. Miles, and the T, which is unknown, by the way. So R. Let me get the time. How long does it take each person to finish the race, and how far did they run? How long does it take each person? Okay. Took her. So the T was, let me remember, DR. Okay, T equals to DR, which is the D is 13 miles. The R, the R is 5 miles. So 13 and 5 divided by 5 is 2.6. 2.6. It is an hour and something, like 36 minutes, I think. I don't know hours. So it is 2.6 hours. So was she slower than, for sure? It's the devil, even the devil, right? So yeah, dude, I got this one too. So I also ran out of time, I believe. I'm gonna call it a day right here. So before I call it a day, let's check if what I did is right or wrong. So for this first one, I got what? Okay, so they run 357.5 miles. 300 and blah 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 blah, as long as number. So miles, I'm right. Okay, what else? The second one, which is an hour and 15 minutes. Sam walked to get from the bus an hour and 15 minutes. Am I right? An hour and 25 minutes and 15 minutes. Okay. Okay. And let me check. One 25 hour. An hour and 15 minutes. An hour and 15 minutes. So yeah. Okay, so this one is right too. So what about this one? What was the question? How it's gonna take them, the distance was okay. It's gonna take how far? Okay, the mile is how far? Okay, wait up. How far? How far is 13 miles. 13 miles. So what was the other question? How far and what? How long does it take each person to finish the race, and how far did they run? Okay, it took this person 1.3 and 1.3 something. It's just like that. So they both ran 13 miles. Talan and Emily ran 13 miles. Emily ran, okay, I'm right. And I'm right too. I'm right. This is correct. So I would like to continue, but like I got a terrible headache. So I'm about to call it a day right here, and I'm so glad the fact that I didn't go back and review anything. I was doing everything along the way, and I didn't pull up my notes. I didn't check my notes again just to solve the problems. Maybe I was just like, you know, asking I something like at the end, and it was all about just like converting minutes into hours or something, just something like that. But by the way, I didn't check and I didn't go back to my, like, you know, notes. And yeah, cause like I'm doing good. My what's called, my like the ability of retaining information from the previous lesson is just like good, not that bad. So see you all. It is day 41 of studying math every day, and I'm about to call it a day. See you.